was a really great day. It was nice to be here with all of the, a lot of the industry leaders, especially for myself coming from not the machine side. I'm more on the materials and development. It was nice to really see how it all comes together and really to see how Nilpeter is incorporating all of that into what they're bringing to their customers.
For the first time coming to an event like this, it's been very knowledgeable. The displays have been pretty awesome and everything. It's pretty nice.
It's been a really interesting day. I really appreciated getting to learn more about flexible packaging, about food safety and flexible packaging, and about some of the newer technologies, not just with the presses themselves, but also with inks, with materials, and with the UV curing systems.